Namaskaram, everyone. I hope you all are doing good. Right now, we are in tough times. The pandemic is going on, the second wave, but fortunately, the numbers have come down, and I hope most of you are safe right now and healthy too. At the same time, I hope you all have taken vaccines, and if not, you have not taken vaccines, do take those vaccines because vaccines are our first instance of defense that our body can have because our body doesn't know about coronavirus yet, and so vaccines which has an inactivated virus, so when it is injected into your body, it actually generates antibodies to fight against the virus if at all you get infected in future. Okay, so this is the most important precaution that we need to take right now. So coming to my experience about the Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya and the 40-day mandala. Now, how do I say this? Because it feels absolutely fantastic. You might have seen my video before about completing of inner engineering program. So after that completion, which happened in April 2021, I got initiated into the Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya, and it's been about 40 days now. I've completed my mandala twice a day, that is morning and evening, and every time I do my Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya, my practices, I feel extremely empowered. I feel extremely energetic. At the same time, I have the sense of calm and composure. It has given me a great amount of benefit when it comes to calming down my thoughts in my brain, because there are a lot of thoughts that keep happening in my mind, and the Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya, the practices of it has helped me tone down a little bit in terms of speed, and it has helped me in an immense way. At the same time, whenever I'm doing those practices, it takes me to a different state of mind. I feel so light within myself, and I feel so good while doing those practices. And and I myself surprised about the consistency that I've maintained, because for the first time I've done something so consistently after my college days that ended in 2014. So this is the first thing that I've done consistently for 40 days, twice a day in the morning and evening. And no matter what, even if it is at 9:30 in the night and I haven't had my dinner, I would sit down for my practice, and only then I would go to have a dinner. Even in the morning, even if it is 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock, I would sit down and do my practices. So coming to the timings, so I preferred a time of 9:30 to 10 o'clock. So Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya, the mandala practice happens to close to 38 minutes. And even in the evening, I would sit down at 9 o'clock or 9:30, and I would finish off my practices. So when it comes to the amount of energy that I have right now is, has increased tremendously. So earlier I used to feel tired whenever I do a certain thing, but right now I feel so energetic and so thoughtful about everything that I would that so how I utilized that energy. So I started utilizing that energy in social media, about reading a lot of things about mucormycosis, the black fungus, the coronavirus, all these updates that the government gives. I started putting those down in the Facebook part, right? And I started sharing a lot of information with people. Earlier I used to be like, oh wow, how does it even matter, what happens in the country, everybody would know. But there are certain things that many people have no access to those things, and I thought, let me start sharing those things, and I definitely received good amount of response when it comes to that. So the next thing is concentration. Yes, the concentration has increased tremendously in my experience, because whenever I take an article to read in the newspaper or in the internet, I'm able to capture those things that are actually required from that article. Earlier I used to read from, word by word from the start till the end. But after these practices, after my mind has calmed a little down, I can identify those things that are actually required from that article, and I can I can easily categorize them between what I need and what I don't need, and the social aspect of it, the political aspect of it, the economic aspect of it, and all these things I'm able to properly categorize it. So you have to do this. If you have not joined the inner engineering program, you should take it up, because it is extremely helpful, and most of it is absolutely designed for the starters, for the beginners, and it is very, very easy, but it has to be taken from the guru himself, from the source, because you might take it on the internet, because it might be available somewhere on the internet, but it is not going to give you so much of importance, so much of value when you take it from the internet, the value that you get it from a guru or an Ishanga from the Isha Foundation. So I would suggest, if you're feeling very depressed during the pandemic, if you're feeling very disheartened, very left alone, a kind of feeling, a feeling of hopelessness, you have to, you can take this up. Any kind of breathing activity, you can take it up. If you want to be part of the Isha Foundation, the Inner Engineering program is absolutely necessary, and this is where it all starts. But if at all you want to be knowing just about depression, how do you cure depression, how do you cure mental health, you can actually talk to me in the comment section. We can have a conversation, right? I'm ready to talk to anyone out there to help them out. So that's not a problem. But if at all you want to have some kind of breathing exercise that can calm you down when you're all alone, so these kind of practices actually help. So after Inner Engineering program, the 40-day mandala happens, and I have successfully completed it, and I feel so great about it. I've received a tremendous amount of good energy from doing those exercises. At the same time, I have this feeling that I've consistently done something in my life. So that's one thing. Yes, so if you have any type of questions with respect to mandala, and with respect to how to stay committed, how to stay confident, how to stay consistent, how to feel good about yourself, how to feel free, how to feel light within yourself, you can definitely ask me in the comment section below. And if at all we can have a conversation, I will also give my Instagram ID in the description below, right? So yes, I feel great. Many of you had asked me how to make a video on how I feel after mandala practice. So here it is for you all. I feel light within myself. I hope you have this kind of an experience too. I hope you have this kind of clarity too in your life. So it is said that I have to continue a little more for 6 months, or continue doing this practice for a year or more, because it gives you consistency, it shapes your body, it shapes your mind in such a way that it acts according to your instructions, and it is not and you don't act according to your mind's instructions, right? So yes, go ahead and do the practices and feel great about it. And also, please let me know your experience about doing the mandala, and I'll be happy to know the stories of each one of you. Thank you so much. Namaskaram.